Today we're going to be talking about four lengthening techniques for the hamstring complex. There's two for static stretching and then two for neuromuscular stretching. Static stretching is done with low force for a long duration. It helps elongate and relaxation of the muscle, and you're holding that for 30 seconds. So the first static exercise we're going to do is the standing hamstring stretch. Feet are shoulder width apart, hinging at the hips, and reaching for your toes and the floor, and feeling that stretch and holding for 30 seconds. Here it's important to keep those knees straight while contracting your quadriceps, having a flat spine to prevent back injuries, and that your pelvic tilt will help maximize the stretch in your hamstrings the further down you go. The second static stretch we're going to do is on the floor. You're going to sit with your left leg extended directly in front of you, not on the side, but directly in front of you. You're going to have your right leg bent with your sole of your foot on the inside of your thigh, and then you're going to reach for your toes by pushing your butt back and your chest forward, and then holding that stretch for 30 seconds. It's also important to have a good pelvic alignment here to help prevent back injuries, and having that chest up is really going to maximize the stretch in the hamstring. Holding that for 30 seconds. Good. The next stretch technique we're going to do is neuromuscular. Neuromuscular stretching takes one joint to the stretch, contracting it when you feel that stretch for 30 seconds at a regular range of motion, and then you're going to relax that joint, and then with the help of a partner, if they're there, then they can help be the resistance or extra force needed to put that joint into its new end of range of motion. So the first exercise we're going to do is, you can do this one without a partner. You're going to use a stool or chair. Standing behind it, you're going to extend your foot, one leg on top of it, and you're going to be in the standing hamstring stretch. Then you're going to push actively your heel into the chair and holding that contraction for 7 to 15 seconds. And then you're going to relax it back into your standing hamstring stretch, and then again pushing your chest forward, going to your new end of range of motion as far as you can forward, and holding that for 30 seconds. Then after that, you're going to relax, and it can be repeated 1 to 3 times. For our second neuromuscular stretch, we're going to have our client. We're going to use our partner for this one. So you're going to have your client lying down in a supine position. One foot slightly bent, the other extended to the air. So we'll extend this one. We're going to extend it until there's tightness in the quadricep, and we're going to hold that for 7 to 15 seconds. Then we're going to relax it, and then we're going to bring it to its new end of range of motion, and then holding that for 30 seconds. And after that, relaxing, and then you're repeating that for 1 to 3 reps for 30 seconds, and then 7 to 15 seconds with the contraction.